Hello and welcome to another unboxing with me, Chris. Today we are looking at Warhammer 40,000 Kill Team Shadow Vaults, the brand new addition to Kill Team into the intense boarding actions in the 41st millennium. A huge thank you to Games Workshop for sending me a review copy of this box. Very, very excited. Judging by the box art, I think many of you will be excited as well because holy, get ready. Get ready. Are you guys ready? I don't even think you're ready. Let's have a look at the back of the box. Boom. Look at that. Look at the top row. Guess who's on the top row? Take a guess. Who's up there? That's right. Kasrkin Imperial Guard Troopers. We saw a preview of these a while back on a rumor engine, and everybody guessed Kasrkin, and I think everybody was right because, yeah, that looks like Kasrkin infantry to me. Very brand new sculpts. I've never seen these sculpts before. I mean, if these have been elsewhere, let me know because I've never seen them. And we also get Necrons, and these are different sculpts for the Necrons, and I think this is also very interesting as well because for a lot of these other little characters and stuff like that, like we've seen them. Like this guy here, he feels familiar, but I don't know if he's the exact same. And I don't think we've ever seen this guy. A lot of these models look very, very different to me. I mean, they could be regular units just included into here as part of the kill team. But like this guy here does not look familiar. The death marks, they might be already familiar. And of course, it's also contained within the Gallo Dark Space Hulk. What do we get in this box? We get transfer sheets for the Kasrkins, Killzone Shadow Vaults game board, Shadow Vaults Close Quarters terrain set, 18 Citadel miniatures, full Kasrkin kill team, 10 operatives, full Hearlock Circle kill team, 8 operatives. I don't know if I'm saying that right. And then of course we also get the campaign book and the transfer sheets. So a lot of stuff in this box, and I see the back of the box also has more of these little doodads. If you've already picked up Kill Team Into the Dark, geez Louise, yeah, I mean, you've already got a bunch of this terrain. There's even more terrain in this set to add to that new box. So, whew, man. Now this box came to me without any cellophane wrap, so I do not have to use my dull blade to try and get in. But it's also still a chore to try and work my way into the box. The box is a heavy-duty cardboard, more like, I don't know, kind of like what you'd get for appliances and stuff. And at this point, it kind of is appliances, isn't it? The whole thing comes out in a drawer. If I can get it out in time here. Oh, man. Jeez. That sounded like an ordeal, didn't it? Look at this giant box of stuff. Wow. 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 Frames of, oh, look at that. Holy man, look at these heavy bolters. Look at the tank treads. Whoa, what? Oh, ammo locker. Wow. Oh, that's cool. Let's give it a sniff test. Oh, yeah. It smells like plastic. All right. Let's have a look at the Necrons. Now, the new Necron frames, this looks like a pretty normal Necron frame. And it's probably like with additional bits. Or is this an entirely new thing? It looks like the Immortal frame. Because the Immortals can be done up with the regular guns, the death marks. It might be a normal Necron frame. I cannot be 100% sure. Kasrkin frame. Oh, now see, here's the thing that I was curious about with this Kasrkin frame. Is this like what we see with, like, say, for example, the Voidsguard, and the Traitor Guard, where they can be done up just as normal Traitor Guard for 40k and for Kill Team? This is kind of leading me to believe this is that. This is a frame that we're going to see on regular 40k tabletops. And also Warhammer Community put out an article not too long ago showing they basically gave us like 5 units for data sheets for including them into regular 40K games. And I'm just looking at this frame. It has a whole bunch of head options. Oh, even the helmets are empty. And you can put a face in them. Can you put a face in them? You must be able to put a face in them. Where's the faces? So I see a whole bunch of... There's a bazillion different heads. Like, that's an actual number. Bazillion people. It's a bazillion. Oh, man. This is very, very cool. New Kasrkin. So let's have a look here. Yeah, more Kasrkin. They all have their lasguns. Special weapons. Yeah, this has got to be coming out for regular 40K. You'll be able to buy these as just normal Kasrkin. You can assemble them as the kill team option or as a regular Kasrkin unit. Who knows? I know we have rumors of a rulebook coming out soon enough, so this might tie in with that. We got another frame of Necron bits. This is the little character duders. Yeah, I think these are already available models, right? I'm starting to think that these are. Yeah. Because now that I'm looking at some of this and the way this guy goes, I think this is a normal Necron. Normal Necron. It's normal Necrons. Yeah. Yeah, pretty darn cool. Pretty darn cool. And then we got the whack ton of bits for the tabletop here, the walls for the Gallo Dark. These big chunky pieces. Man, the details. Fantastic. More terrain. Man, I gotta move some of this stuff over. Big pieces. Big chunky pieces. Although some of them don't feel exactly the same. I don't know why. The other main box felt more like this stuff, where it's thinner walls, whereas that feels like big corner pieces. So we've got a few frames of these. It's 3, 4. Man, these are heavy. Heavy duty. Duty. Yeah, look at that. Pretty darn cool. I mean, everybody out there who oop, geez, I heard something kind of snap. Everybody who picked up Into the Dark and picking up Shadow Vaults now, yeah, you're going to have tons of this interior terrain. Tons. And I already see tons of people using it for really fun things. We get down to the bottom of the box. We have a paper divider with some artwork. Very cool. Necrons versus Kasrkin, excuse me. We get our supplement book, Shadow Vaults, with the instruction guide. Very, 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 very cool. Yeah. We also get the transfer sheet and one base. I'm just kidding. Transfer sheet for the Kasrkin. Ocadian transfer sheet. Now, I don't know if this is an old sheet or a new sheet, as it's been a very long time since I've picked up Imperial Guard set, so I could not tell you if this is a new transfer sheet, but if it is, well then, that is more telling of things to come. We get the game board. It's cardboard. Very nice. And there's all the bases. And that's it, eh? I guess there's only a few guys to worry about. But that is it. That is the unboxing. Again, huge thank you to Games Workshop for sending me a review copy of this set. And I'm sure many of you out there are excited for this release. Kasrkin have returned. And these sprues, they do look like they are for regular 40K as well as the kill team as well. Very, very exciting. Big thank you to my patrons. Without your support, these videos would not be possible. If you're considering Patreon support, click the link in the description below. And I've also recently just turned on join memberships for the YouTube channel. So if you feel like joining that as well, as I have quite a few members-only videos to check out. And yeah, if you're not able to support monetarily, i.e. money, thumbing up the video, liking, following, subscribing, commenting, ringing the bell, All of that helps as well. And all it takes is a couple clicks of a button, and you're helping me out a great deal. And a huge thank you to everybody who takes the time to do that as well. Take care of your brushes, they'll take care of you, and I will see you in the next exciting unboxing.